Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Todd Taylor. Todd's running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for joining us today, Todd.
Thanks very much, Brad.
So I wanted to talk to you about one of the town favorite subjects, which is taxes.
Yes.
First off, do you think taxes are too high? And if you do, how are you going to address that issue? For instance, if you're going to reduce expenses, where are you going to make those cuts? And if you're going to increase revenue, where are you going to find that revenue?
Got it. Well, this is the number one issue when I'm talking to people, for sure, taxes is. So for me, this hits near and dear to home. My wife and I are both working hard to raise our two children. It's troubling to me that the area has one of the highest tax rates. The truth is that we do have the ability to significantly change the taxes we pay. Just like our household budgets, we have to make decisions around what we can afford or can't afford. Every day we make decisions around what is a necessity and what is a luxury or what is a nice to have. Politicians need to provide this practical approach to decision making at Town Hall. I also believe we're leaving revenue on the table that would help reduce taxes. There are areas where we can gain increased revenues, such as development charges, recreation programs, and county-wide solutions. While I'm only one of 7 people that will be elected to represent the town, I will be working hard to be a strong voice at the council table. I deal with difficult financial exercises in my professional life all the time, so I have confidence in myself that I'll have the ability to help the town work through this.
Fantastic. Well, I wish you the best of luck, and thank you very much for coming in today.
That's great. Thank you, Brad.
Absolutely. And if you'd like to see some more videos that Todd has shot, please do check out the links below, and thanks for watching.